What up, YouTube and all my Can-Am owners? Coming to you right now from a snow-covered Can-Am Ryker to let you know that I want to give a great thanks for everybody who supported my podcast and believed in me. I have a great thing going now thanks to Can-Am on Road and Can-Am Global. We're going to be working together to bring you some great content. So stay tuned. And to all my Can-Am owners, if you have any questions or anything you would like for me to ask a future show, just when I speak to Can-Am in my future shows, please let me know. Drop me an email at rollingon3wheels@gmail. That's 3, the number 3. And once again, I'm excited about what's going on. I want to give a shout out and a thanks to Can-Am on Road, Can-Am Global for believing in my podcast. Once again, for all my YouTubers who believed in my podcast. It's snowing out here. I can't ride. But like I said, email me. Good things are happening. Thank you. Like, subscribe, follow.